All right, so our goat cheese spread is setting in the fridge. While that is setting, we are now going to be making the bunny buns. Liz, I love that name.
I know, it's so cute and so fun. And I have
really
two
fun.
bunnies at home, but this has nothing to do with the bread making. But anyway.
And so this is something that can take the place of dinner rolls, but add a unique, cute little twist to it,
Yes,
right?
and this is dinner rolls. Actually, this is frozen dinner rolls, and that's what you need. Some of the rolls out there are pre-baked. You don't want those. You want the raw dough.
Okay.
You can also take a loaf of raw dough and cut it into small pieces and roll this out. So what we're going to do...
So about how much raw dough, real quick, before we
Let's
move
show
ahead.
them a picture of
so
little bunny.
this is the final result. They are so cute. This is what happened when we just took them out of the oven.
Yes.
Obviously, this is what happens after,
yes,
we roll the dough. So we're going to put those over to the side, and we'll tell you what to do next when you take them out of the oven.
So here's a roll for you.
Okay.
Now what you're going to do is you're going to roll the dough, get it warm in your hands, and
about how big are these kind of balls of dough that we are rolling?
I would say about 1.5 inches.
Okay.
And after you take them out of the freezer, let them set for about 20 minutes or so until they're nice and soft, because you're going to roll this out and just roll it. I'll let you roll.
Okay.
Roll into a 12-inch rope. We have to have a long, skinny rope.
And is there a reason why it needs to be so long?
Yes. And let me get in here and I'll show you a quicker way to do
Yes,
this.
please show.
Okay, let me move this out of the way and we'll just get right to it. All right, so you use the heel of your hand.
Okay.
You can use both of your hands and it'll go a lot faster. So you're rolling, you start in the middle and you roll out towards the ends. And as you get towards the end, you'll notice that the dough will go to a point. You want it to have skinny point. Now, if your dough does this, that means the dough is too warm.
Okay.
And too cold still. So you have to continue rolling it out or let it rest until it becomes longer.
Okay.
So it might take a few minutes to do that.
Okay.
But once you get it, you really have to have at least 12 inches, because if you don't, then you're going to have really weird shaped bunnies.
And you don't want that, especially on Easter, right?
And you don't want that.
You might traumatize the kids at the dinner table.
Right. That's right. And it's fun. I mean, this is really a fun little thing.
Well, and this is something fun that the kids can do as well.
Absolutely. So then what you're going to do, you're going to pick it up and you're going to cross over the ears, the two ends, and make a little twist.
Okay.
Just like that, leaving a circle.
Okay, so then you layer them on the pan.
Yes.
You pop it in the oven. How long do we have to put them in the oven for?
Roll the ball, because that's for the tail. We're going to bake these at 350 for about 15 minutes.
Okay.
And if you want to add a glaze to it, you can. And I like to put a little dimple right there and stick the tail. That's a little big for that, because it will rise. And you want to let these rise for a few minutes.
Okay.
Not too long, because they'll lose their shape again.
Okay.
But you can brush it with egg wash. This is just egg and water. A lot of people know how to make that.
Right.
And if you want to sprinkle it with sesame seeds, you can. That just adds a little texture to it.
Oh, I love it.
Really, really cute. So 350 for about 12 to 15 minutes.
Something so easy.
You've got bunny buns.
Oh, love it. Well, Liz, thank you so much. We appreciate it. We'll be right back.